We also look at the cost of living, consumer price indices, inflation rate in comparison with the national economic performance. And when we demand, you cannot escape, you cannot run away, because we will go to the industrial court with those facts and we will get what we want, or the employment and labor relations court. Sasa sisi sio wajinga. Tukikuja kwako tunajua una pesa. Kama hauna tunajua hauna. Now CBA has about 40 to 30 clauses. We will look into those areas. Other areas we leave financial aside. We will live until we support you to maximize profit, and with that profit we will share. Your Excellency, as I'm standing here, we have a slogan that an injury to one is an injury to all. Sister Jacqueline alishikia kidogo hali ya madaktari wetu, clinical officers. Saa ingine usiku hatulali, Your Excellency. Tukisema tutafuta njia gani muafaka, which route, because you managed us on 6th of March. Wakati ulitangaza serikali haina pesa, you rendered court impotent, you rendered FK impotent, you rendered your Minister of Labor impotent, you rendered that committee that you had set out where my deputy was impotent, because as a worker number one, when you take over a dispute, we cannot contradict you. We can't. We have no leeway in any machinery to contradict the head of state. And we must look for channels. Pale unakaa, Your Excellency, sio rahisi kufika. Kule ndani wewe ulikuwa free. Zamani ulikuwa unakuja kwa nyumba yangu nyumbani, unajua familia yangu, ukitengeneza chama chako cha URP, ilikuwa mtu tu unaweza kutana na yeye kwa njia, unakula na yeye mahindi. Little did we know, even we people who are in Azimio, utatoka nyuma upite kwa sisi namna hivyo na uwe president. So that position kukufikia sio rahisi. But I know on each and every issue you have an answer. Hiyo tunakuachia, Your Excellency. Jacqueline Muga amesema tunakuachia. And I know you are able minister. We have been in touch all the time, even the Minister of Health. Hii mambo yote tunawachia wewe. We are all your children. We are all, and we respect you. And you move faster. So Your Excellency, with your own wisdom and advisors, you will have an answer for us, and may God bless you on that. Karibu nimalize. Naomba Mungu anisaidie niwe mfupi sana kwa maneno, anisikose. Your Excellency, I a little bit touched on digital e-commerce, as it is known now in the circle of International Labour Organization as platform economy. And also in other areas it is known as smart economy. Because smart, we use smart gadgets, we use smart telephones, smart iPads, smart computers, smart televisions, and these are the things currently driving